Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the essential keys and the game dump where egg.ns expects them. Once done, copy the NSB or XCI into a dedicated folder on internal storage. This avoids permission errors. Make sure egg.ns is installed and has storage access. You need correct prod keys because egg.ns decrypts games on load. Next, open egg.ns and point the file browser to the folder. This is the first actionable step that moves you from setup into actual loading. You now pick the game file in egg.ns and tell the emulator to mount or install it. Once mounted, configure performance presets. Balanced is safe, while high performance favors speed over stability. Make sure you map controls to your preferred layout. Missing buttons cause play issues. If egg.ns prompts for firmware or profile settings, apply the matching firmware version to avoid compatibility errors. Finally, test a short boot to confirm the game decrypts and reaches the title screen before proceeding. You finish by launching the game and creating a quick save after the first successful load. This locks in settings. Then fine-tune graphics and CPU thread count to balance frame rate and stability. If the game crashes or stutters, gradually lower resolution or switch presets. One key troubleshooting tip: if you encounter a black screen, immediately verify your prod. Keys and firmware version match the dump. Mismatched keys cause decryption failures. If problems persist, restart egg.ns and retry mounting the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.